China General Nuclear Power Group is a Chinese state-owned energy corporation under the SASAC of the State Council. In China, CGN operates nuclear plants at Diabei Nuclear Power Plant, Lingao Nuclear Power Plant, Hongyanhe Nuclear Power Plant and Ningda Nuclear Power Plant, with 5 new nuclear power stations under construction and another 2 planned. CGN operates in other emerging energy industries like wind energy and solar energy, as well as more traditional industries like hydroelectricity. As of 2014, CGN operates power generation plant of the following capacities: nuclear 8.3 gigawatts, wind 4.7 gigawatts, hydro 4.0 gigawatts and solar 600 megawatts. CGN has been sanctioned by the United States for attempting to acquire advanced U.S. nuclear technology to divert to military uses in China. In November 2020, Donald Trump issued an executive order prohibiting any American company or individual from owning shares in companies that the United States Department of Defense has listed as having links to the People's Liberation Army, which included CGN. CGN's proposals to operate 2 nuclear plants in the UK have received criticism from MPs as a potential threat to national security. China Guangdong Nuclear Power Holding Co. Limited was established in September 1994 with a registered capital of RMB 10.2 billion with nuclear power as its core business, with CGNPC as its core enterprise. China Guangdong Nuclear Power Group comprises more than 20 wholly owned or controlling subsidiaries. In April 2009, a fund run by China Guangdong Nuclear Power Group signed a deal raising $1.03 billion United States dollars for nuclear and related energy projects. Guangdong Nuclear's Fund, the first industrial fund set up by a state-owned enterprise with approval from the State Council, signed the fundraising agreement with Bank of China, China Development Bank and other institutions, which will become shareholders in the fund. The financing is the first of 2 phases for the fund, which plans to raise a total of 10 billion yuan. In May 2013, the organization changed its name to China General Nuclear Power Group to signify that its operations extend beyond Guangdong Province. In December 2014, CGN raised $3 billion by an initial public offering in Hong Kong. In December 2014, the firm announced it was acquiring 3 wind farms in the UK with a combined capacity of 73 megawatts from British energy company EDF Energy for a fee estimated to be in the region of £100 million. In November 2015, the company and its subsidiaries agreed to acquire One Malaysia Development Berhad's energy assets, worth around $2.3 billion. The transaction was part of the wider One Malaysia Development Berhad scandal, which resulted in billions of dollars being stolen from the government of Malaysia and the arrest of Malaysian Prime Minister Najib Razak for corruption and fraud in 2016. The U.S. Justice Department charged CGN with stealing nuclear secrets from the United States. The Guardian reported. According to the U.S. Department of Justice, the FBI has discovered evidence that China General Nuclear Power has been engaged in a conspiracy to steal U.S. nuclear secrets stretching back almost 2 decades. Both CGN and one of the corporation's senior advisors, Shushang Ho, have been charged with conspiring to help the Chinese government develop nuclear material in a manner that is in clear breach of U.S. law. In August 2019, the U.S. Department of Commerce added CGN to its entity list, barring U.S. companies from selling products to CGN. In its reasoning, the United States Department of Commerce explained that CGN attempted to acquire advanced U.S. nuclear technology to divert to military uses in China. Under China's 2017 National Intelligence Law, Chinese citizens and organizations are required to cooperate with Chinese state intelligence organizations. The Chinese state-owned China Daily claimed that the real aim is to try to thwart the country's Made in China 2025, and was part of the U.S.-China trade war. CGN's first nuclear station uses reactors designed and built by the French national company Framatome. Then it developed an improved PWR called CPR-1000 based on the French type. CPR-1000 is a fully Chinese designed and constructed reactor type which takes a large proportion in all the reactors being built in China. This has been developed into the Generation 3 Hualong-1 design. In February 2007, CGN signed a contract with Areva to build Taishan Nuclear Station with Areva's EPR. And the Xianning Nuclear Station will use Westinghouse Electric Company's AP1000. These two events makes this company among the first to build a nuclear station with Generation 3 plus reactors. Operating stations. Under construction. Hongyanhe Nuclear Power Plant Phase 2. Ningda Nuclear Power Plant Phase 2. Plan. Lufeng Nuclear Power Plant. Xianning Nuclear Power Plant. Wuhu Nuclear Power Plant and Jiangsu's second nuclear power project.